Checking your work during an exam is an art form. It's not just about reading, it's about hunting for errors with a fresh perspective. Here are the best fast recheck tricks in both Hindi and English to ensure you don't lose marks on silly mistakes. 1. The reverse logic strategy, ulta जांचना. Instead of reading your answer from start to finish, try checking the steps in reverse, especially in math or physics. English, work backward from your final answer to the question. If the logic holds up in reverse, the answer is likely correct. हिंदी, अपने उत्तर को अंत से शुरू करके ऊपर की ओर चेक करें. इससे दिमाग नए सिरे से गलती पकड़ पाता है. 2. The units or signs scan, चिन्ह और इकाइयों पर नजर. Most marks are lost because of a missing minus sign or a wrong unit, like cm instead of m. English, do a dedicated pass just for units, kilogram, joules and signs, जोड़ या घटाव. Don't look at the numbers, just look at the symbols. हिंदी, एक बार केवल यूनिट्स, इकाइयां और साइंस, जोड़ या घटाव को देखें. कैलकुलेशन को छोड़कर सिर्फ इन छोटी गलतियों को ढूंढें. 3. The finger tracking method, उंगली का उपयोग. Your eyes often skip words when you are tired. English, use your pen or finger to point at every single word or number as you reread. This forces your brain to process the information again. हिंदी, पढ़ते समय अपनी उंगली या पेन को शब्द पर रखें. इससे दिमाग भटकता नहीं है और सिली मिस्टेक्स पकड़ी जाती हैं. 4. Quick comparison table, what to check. Subject, focus area, English. Focus area, Hindi. Maths. Calculation or decimal points. गणना और दशमलव, decimal. Science. Formulas or diagrams. सूत्र और चित्र, diagrams. Language. Spelling और punctuation. वर्तनी, spelling और मात्राएं. History. Dates और names. तारीखें और नाम. 5. The empty space audit, खाली जगह की जांच. In the rush, students often skip a sub-part of a question, e.g. Q2. B. English. Quickly flip through every page to ensure no question is left blank. Even a guess is better than a zero. हिंदी, जल्दी से पन्ने पलटकर देखें कि कोई सवाल छूट तो नहीं गया. अगर समय कम है तो कम से कम बुलेट पॉइंट्स लिख दें. 6. Common pitfalls to avoid. Don't second guess. Unless you are 100% sure, don't change your first instinctual answer. Manage time. If you have 10 minutes left, spend 2 minutes checking the high-mark questions first. Pro tip, if you finish early, don't leave the hall. Sit back.